Today we are gonna cook arepas.
This is what you will need. 2.5 cups water, 2 cups harina pan, 1 tablespoon salt. Remember to wash your hands before cooking. Step number 1. Pour the water on a bowl and add the salt. Step number 2. Pour the harina pan little by little to the water. Step number 3. Mix all together until you get a firm dough. You want to get this consistency in your dough. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Step number 5. Grab a piece of the dough and round it like a ball using your hands. Step number 6. Now, time to shape it flat. After this step, we will cook them. You can choose to fry them in oil or cook them on a pan. I will choose to use a pan first and then air fryer, so I can get them crispy on the outside. Cook them in the pan for 3 to 5 minutes in each side. They will look like this. When it gets brown in one side, flip it. Put them in the air fryer for 20 minutes in high. You can fill them with cheese, eggs, chicken, meat, or whatever you want. Enjoy!